Hello, welcome to online classes children. Today in our class we will be studying chapter number 1 large numbers and the topic will be International System of Numeration. Now if we talk about International System of Numeration. So children, you can see here we'll study here 3 periods, okay, in International System of Numeration. That is ones period, thousands period and millions period. So if you want to study up to 9 digit numbers, so we'll have to use till millions period, okay. And if you see here, each period is having three places. That is, ones period has 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period has 3 places, that is thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period also has 3 places, that is millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So you can see here children, each places is of 3 each period is of 3 places. Now if you talk about the place value of these places, so you can see ones place has the place value 1, tens place has the place value 10, hundreds place has the place value 100. Coming to thousands period, thousands place has the place value 1000, 10,000s place has the place value 10,000, 100,000s has the place value 100,000. And now coming to millions period, so millions place has the place value 1 million, 10 millions place has the place value 10 millions and the 100 millions has the place value 100 millions. If we talk about comparison between Indian and international system of numeration. So I hope you remember the Indian system of numeration. So you can see here the first column, that is first row, that is your Indian system of numeration. In that the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Whereas in the second row you can see here these are the places of international system of numeration, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So children, you can see here till 10,000 in both Indian and international, both the places are same. But from here, from the lakhs period, and it changes in International system of numeration. As you can see, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh equals to 1 million, 1 crore equals to 10 millions and 10 crores equals to 100 millions. So children, you can see here these are the places where the difference comes, okay. So Indian and international system of numeration. As in Indian system of numeration, you can see only one period is having 3 places and rest all are having 2 places. Whereas in international system of numeration, all the periods are having 3 places. Okay. Now let's solve some of the questions from my practice time 6. Question number 1. Insert commas and write these numbers in words using the international system of numeration. So the first question is 5014893. So we have to place the commas according to the international system of numeration. So you can see here the first period is of 3 places. So 3 places you can see here, and then we have put a comma because the period is changing. Then again we will count the 3 places, that is of thousands place, that is thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. So we will place again a comma, and then comes 1 million. Now what is the how to write this number in words? Like 5,014,893, as you can see here. Next question, again it comes 14002007. So children, you can see here again we have to put commas and we have to use the same rule, that is whenever the period changes we have to place the comma. So first we will start from the ones period, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Now again the period changed, so we'll put a comma and we'll start the thousands period, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now again the period is changing, so we'll put a comma and then comes million and 10 million. Okay, so the number is 14,000,2007. Okay. So you can see here, children, all these questions we have done with the same rule, and you can write it down in your copy, and you can understand this, how to put commas and how to write the numbers in words. Now the next question is, children, write the numerals, also write the expanded form of the given numbers. So the number is 40,05,307. So 40 lakh means it is an Indian system of numeration. Okay, so 40 lakh means 40. Then again a comma will come. Then 5,000. So 5,000 means 2,000 period has two places. So we'll write 05. Okay, and then put a comma. Then comes 307. So 307. And the expanded form of this is your 40 lakh plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 7, and in total it will come 40 lakh 5,307. Now the next question is 7,07,077. So 7 million. Now children, you can see that it is an international system of numeration. So you see here 7 million, that means we'll write 7 and then put a comma. Now comes 7,000. Now again the thousands period is of 3 places in international system of numeration. So we will write 007. Okay, and then comes 77. So we will write, again it has the ones period has 3 places, so we will write 077. Okay, 77. So the number is here 7,07,077. The expanded form of this is 7 million plus 7,000 plus 70 plus 7, and when we add all this, we will get 7,07,077. Okay, so this is the expanded form. The same thing, children, you can go with these two questions also, the same formula, the same rule, how to put the commas and how to write the numbers and the expanded form of these numbers. Okay, you can write this in your copy. Now here is a home task for you all, and you can solve these questions. The same questions are there with the different values. Same rule you have to follow in both of these questions. Please do solve this and do complete your copies. All the questions, all the My Practice Time 6 questions. Okay. Thank you.